Well, in other news, just this week, we heard news of the Wananchi Group, one of East Africa's media and telecommunications companies, selling a 50% stake in one of the businesses to a U.S. investor, Emerging Capital Partners, which is an international private equity firm focused on investing across the African continent. And to tell us a bit about the deal and what the transaction spells for the group and the industry moving forward is Euan Fannel, the group's CEO. Euan, thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Well, half the business being bitten off by Emerging Capital Partners. Why the decision from Wananchi's side to sell such a huge stake in the business?
Well, this sale was done by our formerly 100% shareholder, which is the Africa Media, Technology and Telecommunications Fund. And the decision was made simply to bring in more capital to finance the expansion of the business. Our strategy is to build the triple play solution, which is cable, VoIP, and data services in Kenya and in Tanzania. And so additional capital is needed, and that was the reason for a sell-off of a portion by the Africa Media and Technology Fund.
What price tag has been placed on this 50% stake?
I'm really not close to all of that information, but the business had a valuation of $50 million. And so it resulted in a $25 million cash injection in the business.
Well, taking a look at the way forward here, I mean, we know that the group has now entered capital, injected capital into Wananchi Group specifically. Is there something else the ECP brings to this agreement? What does this mean in terms of who controls business strategy moving forward?
Well, the business is essentially now a joint venture, and ECP is a capital investor. So with ECP, we have a partner that has the capacity that if additional capital is required, they could be a source. The technical and executive management of the business will be headed by myself, and the vice chairman of the group has also been a long-time investor and operator in cable businesses. But ECP has been investing in Africa for over the last 10 years. And so they are a respected investor, and their presence in the Wananchi Group will add a significant amount of credibility to our business, in addition to potential future sources of investment funds.
Well, you're talking about the capital being needed for further expansion and, you know, in achieving growth opportunity, striving to achieve growth opportunities moving forward. In this context, we have had an extremely increased competition come to the fore in the media and telecom space. Of course, this with the fiber optic cable having landed off the east coast of the continent. What strategies do you have in place to compete effectively but cost consciously as well?
Well, in terms of the video business, our principal competitor in the pay TV side is Multi-Choice or DSTV. And they are a satellite operator. Our business is a triple play. So we offer not only video, we offer broadband internet, we offer VoIP telephony. We also have a division of our company that also focuses on the commercial side. So we think that we are well positioned to compete with DSTV on the video product. They are a formidable competitor. They've been in the market for better than 10 years. However, we think that the cable business, the fiber optic to every home, will be able to offer not only broadband internet, high definition services. Our platform will be able to offer over 150 channels at affordable prices. So I think we'll be very competitive.
Well,